This is very convenient. Ah, wow. I was just about to say that was very conveniently placed until I was a noob. Okay. Before I was interrupted by my stupidity. There's the zombie. There's Iron. I'll go up when it's day. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, he's a loser. Come on then, yeah, come at me. Yeah, come on. Come on. You want a piece of me? Not very suitable music for fighting zombies. Oh well. Come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on, Mr. Zombie. Dead. Oh. First kill. My first kill. That comes in handy for nerd pulling, piling. Okay. That's a good day. I'm lucky I wasn't standing there. One of these days, guys, one of these days, I'm going to fall off into lava. I'm surprised lava can spawn this high. Well, actually, lava can spawn right on the surface, so not too bad. I'm going to get the iron in there that I have just noticed. Oh god. Precariously close to that lava. Oh, lots of iron. There is obviously just going to be like a creeper falling on me and blowing up. Or maybe I'm low enough for them to just die. Hopefully that's what's going to happen. Let's start cooking this iron. And I can make myself a house. That can be my doorstep. Well, not the best builder. In fact, I'm pretty bad. Oh god, yeah. This is my lawn ornament. Lawn ornament, everyone. Isn't it pretty? And it's not gonna burn my house because it's not lava. Let's clear this out a bit. What's in here? We can have some torches, decorations for the house. Chest. I don't actually have much wood. And it's day. Woo hoo. Woo hoo. Start no piling again with the cobble.